back to my channel. I hope you're having a good day. Today I want to play with my resin. I want to do a little resin project. I've got some new molds and I want to see how they work out. So let's go down to the table and have a little fun. Okay, so I have a set of 2 oval bowls. One's a little bigger than the other, but I'm going to make them so they sort of match. My colors that I've picked are Indigo by Tim Holtz Ranger, and then in Picassio I have Sapphire, Violet, and Hot Pink. So those are going to be the colors. And then I also, because I love silver with blue, I've got some silver foil that we're going to add to some of the resin. So what basically I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up the resin. I'm going to then pour some of the alcohol ink into the mold. Then I'm going to put in a little clear resin to get it started. Then I'm going to put in the foiled resin, and then probably some more clear. I don't know. Or I just may make the second half all foil. Not quite sure. We'll figure it out as we go. So I am going to put you on pause for a minute while I mix up the resin. I am going to use my electric resin stirring apparatus. It does definitely give me a lot less bubbles, so highly recommend. And I'm going to use my, where is it? There it is. Stone Coat Art Coat resin, which is a 2-part by volume resin. Okay, and I am, because I love my lungs, going to have my respirator on. So I've got that ready. And I've also got some 99% alcohol, and we spray that at the end so that we get rid of any bubbles on the bottom here. And you'll see how we're going to get rid of bubbles in the middle. All right, I'm going to pause you for a minute while I mix up the resin. Okay, now my resin is all made up. I have half of it left clear and the other half has the foil in it. And there's quite a bit of foil in there. Now our first step is going to be putting the alcohol inks into the bowls, and then we'll add some clear resin and then the foil resin and then maybe some more clear. So enjoy the music and keep watching.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling. This heavy load got under your skin, all in. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right.
Now that I have that initial batch of clear resin in with the alcohol ink, I'm going to tap these a little, and that's just to bring the air bubbles up so that that bottom edge right now, which will be the top edge of my bowl, is not going to be full of air bubbles. We want to help bang those bubbles up to the top. And then we can add more resin.
Things out deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair, held underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around. Around. got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feels bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die.
Okay, now these had 4 hours with the heat, and then they sat pretty much for 24 hours because I wasn't around to unmold them. So we're going to try and demold these and see how they came out. Now the bottoms are a little rough because some of that foil lifted up and is sticking up a bit, so I'll probably have to sand down the bottom a little bit. Let's break this loose and see how this one came out. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's cool. I really like that one. Different colors. And that foil really looks pretty. Nice and smooth on the inside. Nice and smooth on the edges here. One reason I always pour something that has no foil in it in first is so that this edge is always smooth, because sometimes that foil can cause issues. But everything is nice and smooth. Okay, let's do the second one. Getting it started here. Oh, that one's pretty too. Look at that. Oh, I really like those. There's the sides on this one. That's really cool. That's a cute little set. This is the large bowl. Loving how this came out. So pretty. And this is the smaller bowl. Really pretty. Okay, so that's my bowls. I hope you enjoyed them. If you did, please leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now, this is part of our Friday with Friends, so please check the description box below for all the links and the playlist. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone, and thank you so much for being here.